2. That's vlog 7, baby. Let's go. Oh, you guys know these lights. You know where we're headed, eh?
Everybody knows.
Oh, if you didn't know those lights, you sure as hell know these lights, boys. We're heading to it. We are heading to it. Alright, boys, at this point, if you don't know these lights, you're just fucking stupid, eh?
You're probably lying.
You're a lion? And if the Do Boys are listening, we might be snickering after that one. Alright, fellas, we're at the track.
It's like a ramp. It's like an up ramp right here.
We got a little track walk for the gentlemen, sponsored by Budweiser. Shout out to the best beer. Alright, so it looks like you start off.
This is literally an up ramp.
You start off and you get a jump off the start, boys. You get to yump it onto the start gate. Boys are gassed after the friggin' track walk.
My shoes.
But
My shoes.
I'm just trying to show off his shoes. Nobody cares though. I'm looking for a nice finish tomorrow for myself. Got the first race out of the way. Back into race speed, I feel. And this is my track. I like this track. It's about how fucking fast you go. Just like any other track. And then
Just like any other track.
And then oh fucking bitch. I think I'll catch you in the morning. All kitted up for practice. Boys are already out there practicing. We're gonna be getting out there soon here. Had a great sleep. Fuck.
It's warm already, which is not a good sign. Still got 5 motos.
8 o'clock and
Yeah, it's warm.
sun is out if you can't already see. I just smoked my head coming out of there. So that'll give me a good rattle upstairs here before the friggin'. Yeah, exactly. Practice is done. I think we got some clips for you guys. It might not be great quality on my mom's phone, so. Jesse's racing 5 motos today. I'm just going for the 3 intermediate there. Ivan's going out for Moto 1 and youth. He's got the fresh setup on, he's focused in. See what happens. See what happens. Bit of a tip over from Ivan. Hot out there? Yeah. All right, we're heading out to rip the intermediate race here. My first race today, Jesse's second. You guys are gonna be on my head. That was a tough one. Good battle with Ivan at the end. Couldn't get him though. 1-0 for Ivan today. We got Moto 2 coming up here. I don't think we got enough recovery. We'll see ya on the line. Now that's the speed I was missing. Came out that moto and the fitness held up with it too. Got caught in the gate because I literally tried to jump it because I saw the guy flinch right in the doghouse beside me. I just dumped the clutch the moment I saw it. But I'll tell you what, that moto was good. So one more moto left. See you then, baby. Going into moto 4 out of 5. What's the thoughts?
I can barely get on my bike.
Oh man, I couldn't be more glad to not be doing 5 motos today.
Yep.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Racing.
It's warm out here, dude.
Yeah, it is. To the 4th moto of the day. Good friggin' racing, bud.
It's hotter as it goes.
Yeah. Ivan's tapping out after the 4th today, and I'm going out, so hopefully he'll get some clips for you, and we'll see you out there. I'm feeling great, ready to rip. Here we go, boys. That final moto got me there. I went down. Man, I got the race pace back though. I just need to get my starts down and not crash. I went down, bike was pinned on top of me, so I lost about 15 seconds. Couldn't catch up after that. But anyways, that's it for this vlog, gentlemen. Appreciate you boys watching. Peace out.